Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a multi-millet idli and dosa mix, and this is from the brand Auric. This is the Auric multi-millet idli mix, and this is the Auric multi-millet dosa mix. As I'm a South Indian, my surname is Nair, so we make a lot of idlis and dosas, and I think as idli and dosa batter has rice in it, it becomes a little unhealthy, especially for people who have diabetes or for people who have to avoid rice due to any circumstance. I think it becomes a little unhealthy for them. So instead of going for the conventional idli dosa, you can definitely try these multi-millet idli and dosas because they are very high in nutrition and very good for your overall health. This has the goodness of 3 millets, this has no artificial color or fragrance, and this is 100% preservative free. I was looking online for some healthy food items. I wanted to incorporate something healthy in my system and also in my family system. I wanted to incorporate something very healthy. So I stumbled upon these two products, and this definitely caught my eye because idli and dosa is something which we make a lot. So why not just change the regular rice and dal batter to something that has more nutrition, millet. Like we all know, millets are highly nutritious. This idli mix has 52% millet and this dosa mix has 55% millet. This has sorghum millet flour, which is jawar, finger millet flour, which is ragi, and pearl millet, which is the most commonly used, that is bajra. This also has salt according to your taste, so you don't have to add extra salt to this. And also this has curry leaves, this has fenugreek seeds. So once you open the packet, you can actually get a whiff of that natural and very nice aroma. The best thing about this multi-millet idli and dosa mix is, first of all, they are super healthy. They are a rich source of protein and dietary fiber. Gluten-free. Millets are naturally gluten-free. No preservatives, no trans fat. They are very easy to digest and suitable for everyone. Okay, so let's make some nice fluffy idlis and dosas from this. Come on. Okay, so let's make some nice fluffy idlis. So you just have to add equal portions of multi-millet idli mix and whipped curd. So here I have with me 1 cup of multi-millet idli mix. So I'll be transferring this to a bowl. There are grains as well in this mix, as you can see. Okay, so to this I'll be adding the same 1 cup of whipped curd. Make sure the curd is whipped enough and there are no lumps in it. And to this I'll be adding half a portion of water to make a smooth batter. The quantity of water should be half. So here I have with me half a cup of water. So yes, now I'll be mixing it to make a smooth batter. The batter of idli is never runny, it's a little thick. Yes, so let's whisk it. So this is how the batter will look, and this is how the batter is supposed to be. Now I'll pour this into my idli trays, and they are already greased with oil so that this doesn't stick. So yes, you have to keep it like this for 15 minutes, and after like 5 minutes I could see the idlis were rising. See, this is looking so nice and tasty. This was like after 5 to 7 minutes idlis started rising. Yes. Okay, so let's make some nice crispy dosas. So this is the dosa mix. So for this, the process is almost the same, just you have to add equal portions of multi-millet dosa mix and whisked curd and water. So like for example, for idli you have to take half a cup of water, but in this case you have to take like 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of curd, and then 1 cup of water. And make sure again the curd is whipped enough and there are no lumps. So yes, see, 1 cup. So the consistency, the batter of a dosa mix is a little runny, and it should be runny, it should not be thick, otherwise you won't be able to maneuver it on the pan. So it should be a little runny like this, but make sure your batter is not extremely runny because then your dosas are going to stick to the bottom of the pan. So yes, make sure that it's not very runny, it should be somewhere in the middle. Yeah, somewhat like this. So let's heat up our non-stick pan. So here I am with my non-stick pan. So I'll be just taking a little and doing it. See, this is not a conventional dosa like you generally make. This is a little different. So this will look a little different. Like I have to add oil also so that this doesn't stick. See, this looks a little different, but trust me, this tastes so good. This tastes amazing, guys. Very crispy. Here I am with idli and dosa and chutney, obviously. So this is the idli. This is the color. This smells very good. So let's see. Nice and fluffy. Okay, so one without chutney. Let's taste this. This has that grainy kind of a texture, the grainy millet kind of a texture. If you have, like, obviously I'm sure you must have consumed like bajre ki roti and all, so you know that bajre ki roti has a gritty kind of a texture. So this has the same texture, which is tasting very good. This tastes very good. And see how well cooked this is, how fluffy this is. There's a little chutney. Perfect. Idli is actually tasty. Okay, so let's just try the dosa now. Like, this is actually very tasty, guys. This is very tasty, guys. Even the idli is very amazing. I loved it. This is so tasty. I'm 100% sure you'll definitely like this. This is very healthy. This is very filling. One of the best thing about this is that these are instant. For example, if you have to make an idli or dosa in the winter, especially, it takes a lot of time. It takes days for the batter to ferment. But this is instant. You just have to take this powder, add water and yogurt, and you're done with it. I found the link of this product online, so I'll put the link in the description box. You do check out and do buy this product. You will definitely love this. And if you're looking forward for a healthy alternative to a regular dosa and idli, then I think you should definitely give this a try, because I'm 100% sure you will love this. I loved it a lot. I'm a very picky eater, but I loved this a lot. This is very tasty, so I'm sure you'll love this as well. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.